welcome again with a new video. Today I'm gonna show you 120 watt LED. So guys, remember when I show you the light 120, 60, 80, there's a one light, okay? So one light is 120 watt, two light together is 240 watt. So guys, let me open for you this box and check inside the specification and quality of the product. High quality compass, heat reducing radiator inside. So well guys, high quality CSP light, super power fan with all LED waterproof. This is 120. Today I'm gonna test in the water. Come on, I test you in water. So well guys, you can see here power 120 watt, 9000 plus lumens. You see this one, we are testing the water and we test without water. This is 120 clear watts and two together is 240 watt. If you want to make order, visit their outlets, Dragonmart branches, tobysouq.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba as well. Stock it limited guys, come on!